In the evolving landscape of global architecture, the demand for speed, sustainability, and cost efficiency has birthed a new titan: the detachable flat-pack container house. Unlike traditional shipping containers that are modified after the fact, these are purpose-built modular systems designed for rapid deployment and maximum flexibility. From disaster relief zones to luxury eco-resorts, the flat-pack container is transforming how we think about permanent versus temporary structures. The core advantages of flat-pack technology. The quick assembly or flat-pack model differs from standards containers because it is shipped as a kit: roof, floor, and wall panels. This design provides several game-changing advantages. Logistics and shipping efficiency. The most significant hurdle in modular construction is transportation costs. A standard shipping container takes up its full volume regardless of whether it is empty or full. The 4-for-1 rule. In a standard 40 feet high cube HC shipping container, you can fit the components for 4 to 6 flat pack units. This reduces inland and maritime freight costs by up to 75%. Global reach. Because they pack down into a slim parcel, they can be delivered to remote mountainous regions or dense urban centers where a fully assembled house would be impossible to maneuver. Rapid installation and labor savings. Time is money in the construction industry. A standard 20 feet flat pack unit can be assembled by a team of 3 skilled workers in under 3 hours. Minimal tools. Installation requires only basic tools: wrenches, drills, and a small crane or forklift. Pre-engineered systems. The electrical wiring is often pre-embedded in the ceiling panels, and the flooring is pre-installed on the base frame. This Lego-like simplicity eliminates the need for expensive specialized contractor site. Durability and structural integrity. Despite their quick assembly nature, these units are built for longevity. Galvanized steel frame. The skeletons are made of hot-dipped galvanized steel, providing excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, even in salty coastal environments. Weather resistance. Modern flat packs are designed to withstand grade 10 to 11 winds and significant snow loads. The roof systems feature integrated gutter designs that channel rainwater through the corner columns, preventing leaks. Insulation. Using Rockwool or polyurethane PU sandwich panels. These houses offer thermal and acoustic insulation that often exceeds traditional brick and mortar builds. Extreme flexibility and scalability. Flat pack units are the ultimate building blocks. Horizontal expansion. You can remove side walls to create massive open plan halls, offices, or cafeterias. Vertical stacking. Most high-quality flat packs can be safely stacked up to 3 stories high without additional external support frames. Interchangeability. If a panel is damaged, or if you want to swap a solid wall for a glass window, you simply unscrew the panel and replace it. Key application scenarios. The versatility of the flat-packed container makes it a chameleon in the construction world. Here are the primary sectors where they dominate. 1. Construction site infrastructure. 2. Emergency and disaster relief. 3. Commercial and retail pop-ups. 4. Tourism and eco-resorts. 5. Education and public services. The future sustainability and circular economy. The flat-pack container house is a pillar of the circular economy. Recyclability. Almost 100% of the steel frame is recyclable at the end of its 20-year lifespan. Relocatability. Unlike traditional buildings which become demolition waste when a project ends, flat packs are mobile assets.